This is for you from social media after they've read your profile and they've seen what you do, right? So if given the chance, which previously removed PICO's security features would you restore to prevent election fraud? And this is from, again, at Marius Aragon on Twitter.
You know, meron na po tayong batas at malinaw sa batas kung anong security features yung dapat naririyan. 4 yan. The source code review, isang tunay na source code review. Yung verified voters audit trail or yung resibo. Yung digital signature at saka po yung ultraviolet light. Na lahat po yan, inalis ng COMELEC noong 2010, 2013 at kung hindi pa kami nanalo para sa bayan natin sa kaso sa Supreme Court, hindi nila ilalabas ang resibo. Pag wala kang resibo, wala tayong way na ma-confirm kung whether yung pinadala nilang data ay yun ang ating ipinasok na boto. Kaya hindi na bilang ang boto ng tama. Ang una ko pong aalisin, kung gusto talaga natin maayos ang electoral process, yung COMELEC itself. Dahil sila ang nagmamanipulate at nandadaya ng eleksyon. Whether you make it manual or automated, pag mandaraya ang mga tao na nagpapalakad nito, wala ho tayong eleksyong pag-uusapan. Only to restore. And these are features already available in both the PICOS machine and the VCM, which is practically the same machine. Different lang ang pangalan. These security features are already embedded in place and there in the PICOS machine. The first question is, why did you remove it in the first place when the law requires it? Other than you have motive and intention to cheat the election. Yun ang unang tanongin. Pangalawa, why have not you answered the 164,000 PICOS audit logs that we have presented to you 5 years ago? Every year we present to you. We gave it to the COMELEC, to the Supreme Court, to the Ombudsman, to Congress, to people. They have not answered how come the votes that was transferred or the vote that was sent to the server was not actually what the voters inputted in the database. They have not answered that to this day. Only to prove na talagang malinis ang eleksyon. At kung talagang malinis ang intensyon ninyo sa eleksyon, bakit ayaw nyong ibalik yung sinabi ng batas? If they can rob our money and they will rob our votes, they will rob our future. Wala na ho lahat ng eleksyon na to. Kung hindi natin, the minimum security feature na dapat nating hingin, na minamanipulate pa rin nila, inaalis nila sa source code, knowing that matatalo sila sa Supreme Court yung resibo. Pero mga kaibigan, pag walang resibong maayos, wala tayong botong bibilanging maayos.